So you guys all know how much I love running, but recently I got my husband Jared to start running too. And with 2 runners in the house, honestly, laundry is a huge problem. So I reached out to a new brand to try some new products, and they sent me a care package. The brand is called Funkaway, which is super fitting. First thing we have is some Funkaway odor eliminating beads. They look like little Orbeez. You can place them in your locker, closet, basement, bathroom, or anywhere that funky odors are a problem, which is everywhere. They do have a really clean smell. Now onto this box. There is a video in here. This has gotta be the coolest box I've ever received. Wow, I did not expect that. And Taylor Swift is a great touch. Okay, now for the goodies inside. Closet sachets. Honestly, our hamper is where I think a lot of that bad smell is accumulating. So we have some Save Your Stinky Shoes shoe spray. This will be great when we're traveling, I feel like. The last thing that we have here is some sport spray. So for sweaty, stinky athletic gear. I'm gonna give these a try, and I will let you guys know if it finally solves the problem of having 2 runners living in the same house.